Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witchcraft Way box for January 2020. Let's check it out. So, it has always a little insert here. Ritual. Recipe. Muse with the moon. Cool, I love the moon. I'm not going to look at that right away though. Manifest Moon Incense Kit. Make your own botanical incense. Make your own incense. This is an easy to do kit, a fun gift, or just a great craft time. This blend is for manifesting, creating a sense of clarity and direction to aid in propelling your dreams forward with intention. This blend contains organic herbs of red sandalwood, frankincense, orris root, guar gum, a vial of botanical essence blend full of agar wood, sweet orange, amber musk, jasmine, pure joy. I don't smell anything. Oh, it's really tight in there. Oop. So, I mean, it doesn't look like you make a lot of incense, but it's still probably, you know, quite a few sticks or cones or whatever it is that how you're shaping them. So that's pretty cool. Never gotten something like that. Lunar Intuition. Tired Witch, anointing oil, grapeseed, blue lotus, calendula, mugwort, rose with jasmine and basil. Let's see what we got here. It's got lots of things in it. It's shrink wrapped. But it's easily removed, so that's positive. Smells okay, yeah. Nice. We got a little, a really cool candle rolled in some herbs. Red Witch Apothecary, herbal ritual candles. Okay, I'll have to read about that, but that's really cool. La Luna Brew, Anita Apothecary. Oh, they have Anita! Or Marie, I should say. Yeah, I have this. I actually have a big jar of this. Cool. I was just thinking in my mind that they are using a lot of different companies, and I really like that. So we got a little black yarn. We've got... Oh, pretty. I love that. The Pretty Cult. It's like a patch, like a tarot card patch of the moon. So that's really cool. Black salt for protection and creating boundaries. It's awesome. I love black salt. I love this. I love opalite moons. I love opalite, but I like that a lot. Pretty. One of my favorite things I ever got in a box was like one of these, but a keychain for Tamed Wild, and it got lost or taken off of my keychain, so that's kind of a bummer, but I could always buy one. I'm just like not trying to do that. Opalite Moon. Opalite moons are perfect conduits for deep meditation and healing. Let yours represent the moon in her many forms as you focus on your moon magic. Etsy Connect Co. Oh, let me read the thing. January is a new beginning. It's a time when we reflect over the past year and learn from its ups, downs, and important lessons. This month, WVOC is all about empowering yourself to do great things in the year ahead by creating and maintaining a strong relationship with the power and exciting energies of the moon. Moon Magic Herb Candle. Created especially to honor the moon in all her aspects, this herb-infused candle makes the perfect addition to your moon rituals purchased during any phase. Burn in a fire-safe dish away from flammable items. Trish the Red Witch. Cool. Manifest Moon DIY incense. Easy to do Incense kit is a fun way to manifest, creating a sense of clarity and direction to aid in propelling your dreams forward with intention. Manifest your best life ever with this moon incense by Moon Magic Co. La Luna tea. After our day is complete and the witching hour ends, our ritual spell work is finished, we rest. La Luna is an evening tea designed to bring relaxation, calmness, stillness to aid in your spell work. I need apothecary. Black salt packet. Black salt has been used for centuries to create boundaries for protection and to let go of anything holding our emotional and spiritual well-being captive. The perfect addition for new magic. At Archmaid. The Moon Tarot Cloth. Like the moon, everything has its own cycle. We must be patient with the cycles of life. Use this cloth to set your intentions with the moon and your tarot as an altar cloth or as an accessory to your clothing. They're pretty cool. Lunar Intuition Oil. This Lunar Intuition Oil is handcrafted to anoint yourself when practicing divination associated with the moon. This blend is the perfect companion for all forms of divination by a tired witch. That's really cool. I do like this box a lot. Mainly because it always has really like practical, usable items, and I'm just noticing that it has items from all these different witches, and we should support each other as much as we can. You guys know I'm super about supporting other witches, and also I take great pains to not compare one witch's work to another witch's work, except for like I do believe in side-by-side comparison, but not like saying this is better than this box or this box is crap and this box is great. I don't like doing that. I think comparison is the stealer of joy, and I feel like it you don't have to put somebody down to lift somebody up. So I very much like all the different variety. I'm digging it. I'm digging this box. So check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Witchcraft Way, January 2020. Please, as always, like, comment. I love chatting with you guys. My grad school has started up again, so I'm kind of behind on my videos, and I am sorry for that. Please subscribe, and if you think you're subscribed, double check, because like in the last week I lost like 10 subscribers for no reason whatsoever, which might be, you know, hey, they might not like my face, and that's totally cool. But sometimes YouTube also does weird stuff, so I just wanted to check if you want to be subscribed, and I think you do, because it's fun over here, then please make sure that you are. Anyways, I'm feeling really silly. It's been snowing heavily all day here, and I've just got like a lot to do, and so I've got like this weird form of like anticipation and excitement, but also like not wanting to do what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm sure you guys can relate. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Thanks for standing by. I will get to my 900 subscriber giveaway as soon as I have a day off. And, you know, it's a blessing to be with you. So have a good night. Bye.